Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the 20-inch Nimbus Eclipse-Pro and the reason I'm holding the frame is this is the length they come from the factory. So this is 500mm, the frame. And if you didn't know, this unicycle is a little bit special because you have them custom sized to the rider. We did a video previously, I'll stick a link in the top corner, to our frame calculator, and you put it all in your details and you get the length to cut this down. And on our website, I'll stick a couple of pictures in as well. You pick your size of the frame you'd like, or as custom length. I'll bring this frame in a bit closer and let you have a look at that. But this is a fully aluminium frame, and obviously we would cut this tube down, but you can see the nice bearing holders and the really subtle graphics on these. So the frame's silver and the graphics are silver. So when you're doing freestyle competitions and stuff like that, you can't really see them, but there is still some branding there. So quite a nice frame. Obviously, you'd have to be quite a tall rider to ride like that, but put that down. And then let's have a look what else you get in the box for this unicycle. So first, saddle and seat post. And this brings us on to one of the sort of unique features with this. These have a 30.8 seat post and a 34.9 clamp. So this is all like very large tubing. Can you see that there? And obviously this is Nimbus's standard freestyle saddle. Nice embossed logo and stuff on the back. And the impact base with the short stubby handle for like the freestyle stuff. Quite a nice looking saddle. That down there. What else we've got in the box? Right, big bit. So this is the wheel. And now this is pretty light because the Eclipse, bar obviously a couple of components, mainly the spokes, is completely made out of aluminium. So this hub, I don't know if you can see that, I'll bring that in a little bit closer, is a single piece of aluminium, or aluminum if we're in America. VCX cranks, X-Performer tyre, just all like the bestest bits for freestyle riding, and that like lovely rim. It's like sort of nice profile, looks lovely. And then what do we get in the box? In the box. So you got pedal spanner, standard Nimbus plastic pedals, and then a very similar clamp, if I can get this packet off, that is, and these practice ones, that you get on the impact unicycles now. Obviously a different size, a 34.9, but a really good clamp. Obviously if it works for trials riding and street riding, definitely works for the freestyle stuff. So yeah, very nice unicycle. I'll flash up a weight on the screen of the entire unicycle now. Other than that, I'll grab hold of this camera and we'll have a little bit more of a closer look at. There you go, that's everything stripped out of the box. And you can obviously see that nice saddle. Pick that up, put it up close and personal. Impact base with a stubby handle, and then that 30.8 seat post. It's quite nice. Clamp, standard plastic pedals, the frame that we talked about, so you can see them nice bearing holders and the graphics, and like that nice knurled top for obviously stand-up tricks and stuff. And obviously this is a straight out of the box 500mm post, so that'll get cut down. And then the wheel, VCX hub, nice one-piece aluminium hub, silver spoke, silver rim, white tyre for that whole freestyle look. A logo on the rim there. Yeah, very nice unicycle. And there you go, just a quick unboxing of a 20-inch Eclipse-Pro unicycle. Found it hard to say that actually, Eclipse-Pro unicycle. Yeah, I can say that. But yeah, if you got any questions about this unicycle or any other unicycle or part that we have in stock, stick it in the comments below. If you're liking these just unboxing, quick looking at the products videos, let me know, and if there's anything you would like to see out of the box and in a bit more detail, let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.